Hello everyone, and today we are going to discuss our next topic, that is Euler's formula. And this formula was given by mathematician Leonhard Euler, and he was a Swiss mathematician, and on his name was given to this formula. जैसे कि आपने अभी तक देखा है, जैसे ट्राइंगल्स की एक पर्टिकुलर प्रॉपर्टी होती है, that angles and property of a triangle. If I give an example, all the angles, चाहे ट्राइंगल्स आपका कैसा भी हो, ट्राइंगल्स के एंगल का सम हमेशा 180 डिग्री ही होता है, सच दैट जितने भी आपकी सॉलिड शेप्स होते हैं, पॉलीहेड्रॉन, जो कि मैंने आपको प्रीवियस वीडियो में भी बताया था व्हाट आर पॉलीहेड्रॉन्स, ऐसे सॉलिड शेप जो कि सिर्फ आपके पॉलीगॉन से बनते हैं, सिंपली जिसमें सर्कल्स आपका इंक्लूड नहीं होता है, दे आर कॉल्ड पॉलीहेड्रॉन्स. So this formula is applicable for all the polyhedrons. And what is this formula? This formula says that here V is vertices, E is edge and F is face for any polyhedron solid shape made by polygons. And you all know circle is not a part of a polygon. तो ये कंडीशन आपकी हर सॉलिड शेप के लिए सेटिस्फाइड होगी. V माइनस ई प्लस एफ इक्वल्स टू 2. वर्टेक्स या वर्टिसेस माइनस एजेस प्लस फेसेस. आप जब इन तीनों पार्ट्स को सॉल्व करेंगे देन योर आंसर विल बी 2 फॉर एवरी पॉलीहेड्रॉन. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, ओके, दीज आर द क्वेश्चन ऑफ योर बुक, जिसमें कि पहला एग्जाम्पल आपका, द क्वेश्चन इज क्यूब. यू need number of faces, number of vertices, number of edges, and you need to verify Euler formula. So how many faces are in a cube? For this I had already given you a chart. There are 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Now either you can write down the formula like this, f plus v minus e, और जैसा कि आपको दिया हुआ है v माइनस ई प्लस एफ. when you will substitute the value in place of v8, in place of e12 and in place of phase 6. so solving the positive integers first, 8 plus 6 आपको मिलेगा 14 and 14 minus 12 will give you 2. या आप इस तरीके से भी अगर सॉल्व करते हैं, f plus v minus e, faces is vertex is 8 and edges is 12. So 6 plus 8 14 minus 12 2. So for cube it has been verified. आपका Euler's formula से आंसर 2 आया. That means Euler's formula has been verified. Now for next figure, that is a triangular prism. So for a triangular prism there are 5 faces, 6 vertex and 9 edges. So v minus e plus f. So substituting the value of v, that is 6, edges is 9 and face is 5. So 6 plus 5 will give you 11 and 11 minus 9 will give you 2. Hence Euler formula is being verified. तो आपने देखा होगा कि क्यूब, ट्रायंगुलर प्रिज्म, इसके अलावा there are many shapes given to you in the question. When you will verify Euler's formula for those solid figures also, you will get your answer to. For every polyhedron you will get 2 as your answer. So for Euler's formula will be verified. अगर आपकी ये कंडीशन कोई भी सॉलिड शेप सेटिस्फाई करता है देन ओनली द सॉलिड शेप इज पॉसिबल. जैसे कि आपके ट्राइंगल्स में अगर ट्राइंगल का सम 180 डिग्री नहीं आ रहा है then it is not possible to construct a triangle. Similarly, if here in Euler's formula the answer is not equal to 2, तो आपका solid shape नहीं बनेगा. अब if you want you can solve by using v minus e plus f और f plus v minus e. नंबर्स की प्लेस चेंज करने से अगर आपको याद हो, आपने प्रॉपर्टीज़ पढ़ी है, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स की प्लेस चेंज करने से देयर इज नो इफेक्ट ऑन द आंसर. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन is three figures are given to you. The question says for each solid shape, count the number of faces, vertices and edges. Check that Euler formula is true for each one. Now remember one thing, if a figure has been constructed, अगर कोई भी आप solid shape बना पा रहे हैं, that means वो Euler's formula satisfy करेगा. So look here. So this is the figure that has been given to you, and it is a pentagonal prism. So number of faces, so this is the first face, 2 at the bottom, और इसकी हर लाइन सेगमेंट से एक एक फेस कनेक्ट हुआ है. सो ओवरऑल देर आर 7 फेसेस. वर्टिसेस मैंने यहाँ पे हाईलाइट किया हुआ है विथ dots. So these are the vertex. So overall there are 10 vertex and edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly 5 at the bottom, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 15 edges are there. So substituting the value in Euler's formula, V in place of V 10, in place of E 15 plus 7. 10 plus 7, 17 and 17 minus 15 is 2, hence verified. Euler's formula has been verified for this figure. Now the third figure of this question. It is not a regular solid shape. So number of faces 1. So you can see here 1 triangle, 2, 3, 4 triangles are there. 4 triangles. Then at the back 5. This one 6 and 7. So overall there are 7 faces. Edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 12 edges are there, and vertex. Yeah, vertices, sorry, plural form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 vertices are there. Again, by verifying Euler's formula, V minus E plus F. So substitute the 7 minus 12 plus 7. 7 plus 7 will give you 14, and 14 minus 12 will give you 2. So hence Euler formula is being verified for these figures as well as the previous question, question number 4. Now the question which I had explained you will note down, and with the help of these questions you will solve rest of the questions of the exercise. So that's all. That is the part of Euler's formula in your syllabus. So I hope you might have understood the topic. Thank you everyone.